How can I change Steam EA account setting? Or how can I simply unlink my EA account from my Steam account on my PC here in front of you? As you can see on the screen, I will simply click on the first website, that is EA Electronic Arts website. Here you have to click on the website and then you look at the option on the right top of screen, that is your profile option. Let me just find the option here, scroll up to the screen, and on the top of the right you will see your account option. There is a sign in option. To log into your account, you should have your email address that is registered with Electronic Arts and a password that is authenticated with this account. After logging in, click on the same option and then click on account setting option. After clicking on account setting, you will see a lot of things here, but you have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on the connections setting in it. There is a lot of option that you can see my connected accounts and the accounts which I can connect to my EA account. I can see the Steam here also, and I have to click the unlink option to unlink this Steam account or change Steam account Electronic Arts setting. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos like this.